Hello everybody, Shawn Sviridov here with Gallery SS Photography, and what you're seeing on your screen is the footage of my DJI Mavic Mini, graded and ungraded. The ungraded, of course, is on the left, the graded is on the right. So this was shot on my Mavic Mini. There's quite a bit of contrast here with the snow and the road below, and also the trees with the snow on them, but I threw this into Davinci Resolve and threw on a Sony LUT, as well as a bit of color correction, popped the green a little bit and brought up the contrast just a bit, just to have that forest really pop. I might have overdone it somewhat. Let me know what you think, if it's a little bit overdone in the contrast department, but it does show the quality that you can get out of the 2.7K footage out of a DJI Mavic Mini, and how you can export it out afterwards to get really good results here. And of course, it is a challenging condition to work in because you do have a lot of contrast between the white and the darker shadows, and this will happen whenever you're working with any sort of a snow environment. Hopefully you like this video, of course. If you like it, share, subscribe, follow on galleryss.photo on Instagram. Shawn Sviridov signing off.